Hi boys and girls, today we're going to be doing lesson 14.6, Elapsed Time. We're going to start with a strategy that I'm going to teach you for time. It's called mountains, hills, and rocks. So, you need to start doing a number line. Everyone get a paper, start doing a number line so you don't forget about this strategy. The nicer you can make it, the better. It starts, you're going to start with start, in the middle duration, and end at the end. Mountain, we're going to do a mountain. A mountain represents 1 hour. A hill represents 5 minutes, and you can go up to 5 all the way to 30 minutes. And rocks are going to skip counting by 1. So 1, 2, that would be minutes. So start, duration, end. Mountains, hills, and rocks. A mountain represents 1 hour. A hill represents 5 minutes. You can go up to 30. And a rock represents 1 minute each. The steps are to add up time to find the elapsed time. Elapsed time is the duration, how in the middle. 14.6, we're going to start with the example. Denise went to see a movie. The movie started at 1 o'clock. It ended at 2:30. How long did the movie last? So what I started with like 1 o'clock for the start, 2:35 for the end, and I started doing my number line. Start, duration, and end. So start, duration, and end. So, clock is my start, 2:35 is my end. So I'm going to start with a mountain of 1 hour. So if I add 1 hour to 1 o'clock, now it's going to be 2 o'clock. Can I add another mountain? No, because then it would be 3 o'clock and that would be over my time. So I'm going to start with the hills, the 5 minutes. So I need to get to 35. So I'm going to go o'clock. That would be 05. Another 5. 10. Another 5. 15. So remember 2:05, 2:10, 2:15. Another 5. 2:20, 2:15. So I started putting the time so I don't get confused. 2:05, 2:10, 2:15, 2:20, 2:25. Are we still there? No. Should I add more hills or rocks? Remember, 1 minute. So I think I can still go with hills. So 25, 2:30, almost there. Another hill, 2:35. Remember, each hill was 5. Let me start filling in my work. And let me count my elapsed time. So my elapsed time was 1 hour. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 minutes. How long did the movie? 1 hour and 35 minutes. And I got to my end. I'm going to be doing more examples with you. Number 1, draw arrows on the second clock to count the hours from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. What is the elapsed time? So we're going to start at 11. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 hours because I already got to 5 p.m. So what was the elapsed time? 6 hours. Now I'm also going to show you. 11 was our start. We do not know the duration, and our end was 5. I'm going to start with the mountain, which is 1 hour. So 11. This will be 1 hour. So this would be 12. 1 more hour. 1 o'clock. 1 more hour. 2 o'clock, 1 more hour, 3 o'clock, 1 more hour, 4 o'clock, 1 more hour, 5 o'clock, and we already got o'clock. So how many hours? So how much time, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the elapsed time is 6 hours. This is another way. So you can do the curves. I'm gonna keep working on number 2. Reason: if a start time is 7:15 and an end time is 8:05, why do you not have to count hours to find your elapsed time? So I already started here. It's 7:15. If I add a mountain, if I add 1 hour instead of 7:15, it would be 8:15. But our end time is 8:05. So that would be way over. So we cannot use mountains. So we can do hills or rocks, which I would mountains of 5, 10. I'm gonna use 10. So my hills are gonna go by 10. That would be 7:25. Another 10. That would be 7:35. Another hill. I'm sorry. That would be 7:45. Another hill. 7:55. And I'm almost there. If you want to go a little bit further, my hills are gonna turn into 5. 55 plus 5, it's 760. That means 60 became a new hour. 10, 20, 30, 40, 45 plus 5, 50 minutes is our duration. Same problem with hills of 5. 720, 725, 735, 740, 745, 750, 755, 55 plus 5 makes 60. 60 makes the next hour. 8:05. We're gonna 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Our elapsed time is 50 minutes. Girls, don't forget to work on your independence so you can get more practice. Create your own mountains, hills, and rocks. And you're gonna turn in 14.6 on Tuesday. Your work does not fit, do it on a separate paper like I did.